In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, but appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory. With the 4 hour chart, we are in slightly negative MACD and approaching to positive territory. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in negative MACD, we're off of oversold levels, and we did bounce right off the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at the price of $25.84. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.39. My sell target is at $25.33, and my stop loss is at $21.33. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.97, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $23.54, and my stop loss is at $27.20. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 64% chance to climb between 0 to 7.4%. To the downside, it has a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7.4% and a 7% chance to fall between negative 7.4 to negative 15%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.